So Ellis Island is expanding again. Look at this. It's going to be beautiful. I mean, it's already a really nice little casino. But this area is going to have a really beautiful center bar and a whole bunch of games wrapped around it. They're going big dog. They might have to tear down this Best Western hotel that they own and build a tower. Eventually, I think they have to do that because this is too valuable property. Because this is not a nice hotel. It's not like Tuscany next door. Way nicer. This is really low-level accommodations right here. Sorry, Ellis Island. I love your casino. I hate your hotel. This is what hotel that you get a non-smoking room and you open your door and there's still a cigarette in the ashtray burning. And it's probably the maid that did it. I'm sorry, housekeeper. Ooh, this is Sunday. This is 2 for 1 pizza. This is Metro Pizza. Their pizza is perfect. It's thin pizza. It's what we call New York style, or what most people think of as New York style. But a lot of people call something New York style and it's too thick. It's got to be thin to be New York. Plus, it's got to have the right sauce. This has the right sauce. Metro Pizza. Order it from your hotel. Anywhere on the strip. Look up Metro Pizza and order it. They have their own delivery drivers. Here's their little sports book. William Hill Sportsbook. So the William Hill at the Plaza downtown. There's a story. Somebody had a 20,000 to 1 ticket, and it came in, and William Hill said it was a mistake, so it's not valid. And now the gambling commissioner is going to have to make a ruling on it. He's got a ticket that has it. He owes $40,000, and they're trying to tell him that he's only owed $1,000. That they added 1 0 too many to the odds. But he's got a ticket that says it, and I think he's going to win because he bought it under the assumption it was 20,000 to 1. You sold it, and you didn't check it. Tough shit. You got to pay it. So cough it up, William. Better call Mrs. Hill and tell her she's not getting that town car she thought she was going to get. Sell some of her rings or something. Here, Whitney. So Whitney Houston and Willie Nelson machines are here and there, but I can't remember which ones are where. But they're not very common. So if you see them, you got to play them. You can't win if you don't play. That's what I heard. I don't know who said that first. Maybe somebody at the casino. $10 table. I thought maybe it was $5 because it's so crowded. There's a lot of $10. Here's a 5 right there. That's a 5. 10. Buckner and Mahomes. They're actually here tonight, but this is not the real. That's not the real Buckner, and that's not the real. Oh, that's both Buckners. Oh, they moved this. This was over there where the craps table is. Oh, there's Dylan Mulberry. Yeah, that's her. Him, whatever. It's up to you. Whatever you like. $5 on that craps table. Really good edition. So there's no door going out the front anymore while they're under construction. I'm surprised the fire marshal allowed them to do that. So you got this door and then you got the back door, and that's it. If there's a fire up in the front, you know, you better step on some other people.